Welcome to the Contractor Success Map podcast. I'm your host, Bradley Hart, and I'm an expert on how you can get the most out of your contracting company. The reason I designed this show is to help you turn your contracting company from a people-dependent money pit into a process-dependent cash cow to have the freedom you dreamed of when you started your business. Every Friday, we're releasing podcasts with information to help you get the most out of your contracting company. Be sure to join us at www.contractorsuccessmap.com. and subscribe to receive our latest articles and special offers. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.
Hello everyone, Norhalma here once again, welcoming our subscribers and podcast listeners. If you're new here, thank you for giving us a chance to share insightful marketing, accounting, and production tips and strategies for your construction business. It's episode 486, and today Sherry DeHart talked about: are you charging enough? Why you should raise your prices. Let's get into it. There comes a time for every small business to raise its prices. While it may seem scary, remember that it's your job to keep costs fair for you and your customers. That means you have to charge prices that work for you and allow you to remain in business. Am I not charging enough? Knowledge leads to profits and cash flow. What makes knowledge powerful? Use of knowledge. In this cutthroat construction industry, you may not be able to outgrow your competition forever, but you can always outlearn them. Knowing the 80-20 rule for construction contractors will surely help. 20% of your customers typically generate 80% of your net profit. 20% of the goods or services you sell contribute 80% of your revenue. 20% or 2 out of 10 of your staff create 80% of the value for your customers. The frightening consequence of the 80-20 rule is that 8 out of 10 hours we spend at work drive almost no value to the bottom line. And the most significant drain is trying to save money doing our contractor bookkeeping instead of reviewing the key performance indicator or KPI reports. The essential value good bookkeeping brings to a business is an understanding of where your 20% is hidden. By generating daily reports that uncover the best clients, jobs, services, or products, you will soon see how you can refocus your internal efforts on doing more good work. You could be asking the same question and still looking for reasons why you should raise your prices. First, your costs have grown. The thing about inflation is that everyone will feel the pinch, including you. If your construction business supplies are now more costly, you must pass those costs on. Otherwise, you're losing money and your business will be on the hook. Nobody likes raising prices on their customers, but it's a necessity. You have to be able to cover your costs and continue supplying your customers with what they expect. Second, you're too busy. If you find that you're consistently booked 10 to 14 days out, it's a sign that you're delivering good value for money. People know your worth and are fighting for your time. That's great, but it also means that your service-based business has evolved. This tells you that your customers are satisfied, and if they're happy, they'll likely spend more on your services. You may lose some clients in the process, and that's okay. You're now attracting higher quality clients who know your value and are glad to pay more. Beware of getting carried away, however. If you raise your prices by too much too fast without adding any value, you'll find yourself in trouble. As your skills improve, you'll automatically provide more value for money. This is when raising your prices is justified and will be met with acceptance. Third, enough time has passed. Even without adding more value or skills, raising your prices is okay. It's recommended. A good general rule of thumb is to increase your cost by 5 to 10% every year and a half or so. This may sound like a lot, but consider that the average inflation rate falls within this bracket. If you don't raise your rates and the cost of your supplies hasn't gone down, you're losing money. Next, your competitors are doing it. Yes, it feels great to offer your customers a fantastic deal. But don't be the one left with rock bottom prices when your peers have all raised theirs. This translates into you working harder to earn the same amount of money. Be aware of what's going on in your industry and adjust. Customers judge a business based on perceived value. If you are at the bottom of the pack price-wise, they are likely to skip over you to get a good deal. Price yourself accordingly to attract quality clients. Fifth, you've become more valuable. You gain more skills, experience, and knowledge as you work in your field. This translates to more value. If your business is better than it was a year ago, it's time to charge accordingly. Don't undervalue yourself. Customers often understand that you're more skillful and are glad to pay for your extra expertise. And last but not the least, you're trying to rebrand or reposition your service. There may come a time when you want to attract more high-quality, higher-paying clients. This rebranding is meant to raise the perceived value and the prices along with it. One of the most prominent examples where you see this is in restaurant industry. As a place becomes more sought after, you'll notice that they change the menu to make the descriptions more detailed. Maybe a popular item will change its name to make it sound fancier. But one thing's certain, the price tag will have gone up. Final thoughts. There are many reasons why raising your prices is a good idea. It's just good business sense. Likely you're experiencing a combination of the reasons listed above. Whatever the case, ensure you do your research and review your prices often to make sure you position your business correctly. As contractors like you move away from gut-level decisions and begin relying on their construction accounting systems to provide valuable financial and job costing reports, it's time you open a treasure chest busting at the seams with helpful information which can lead you to earn massive profits and by extension increase your wealth exponentially. Now, the power lies within you and what you can do with your knowledge. And that ends Sherry's blog post. Remember, we can help a little or a lot depending on your business needs. In case you're a new listener, I would like to let you know that you can still use our promo code for a 20% discount. It's podcast20, PODCAST20, podcast20. You can use it in our Fast Easy Accounting store for any bookkeeping templates or to enroll in one or any of our construction accounting classes in constructionaccountingacademy.com. If you're confused about which product to purchase or what services to outsource or what class to enroll, please don't hesitate to contact Sherry by calling our toll-free number at 1-800-361-1770 or 206-361-3950. That is a direct access to her. When you call, please don't forget to leave your name, the best number to call you back. Your company name would be a great information as well. This will be helpful so she can call you back. Or you can also send her an email at Sherry, SHARIE, Sherry@fasteasyaccounting.com. On behalf of Sherry and our team at Fast Easy Accounting, this is Norhalma. Thank you all for listening. Stay safe and healthy.
And stay tuned for upcoming episodes on how to turn your contracting company into a process-dependent cash cow. Bye for now. Thanks for tuning in. You're listening to the Contractor Success Map. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a 5-star rating and review here on iTunes, and make sure to head over to www.contractorsuccessmap.com to subscribe to receive the latest articles and special offers. If you'd like to discuss your business strategy, simply click on the button labeled Strategy Session. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.